wankra ne kun so ko Dubai.
Okra ne so ko Kumasi.
Kumasi. Initially oko Togo ko fa niema.
Okay.
This time around oko Dubai, but wankra ne kun so ko Dubai. Because bia e woni ewahu e wa kwento no na obehya ase kwa na onim ne ewom no.
Okay.
But the kind of nkomo kire ni kuna e bia no wasan no. Because e nyina ye tensem na ekoso wo Dubai. E ma ne bi omo kwa niema omo kwaye e wo ho. Eti oni ni ku di hu nkomo a anko ma ne kwan. E ma ne nko. But oye very determined, onim ne ope, and oye very decent and focused. Eti no say, let me go there. Maame nko toto niema. Ansa mama be ma na hu say, aha. And I make us say. Ti na me ye. Say aware. I think all to kwaso no oka say. Oni ni kun ehye bibia. On fashion ensie ni kun. Sesia na eniema peke. Anka hyasie no. Bia oye plain. E de niema tutu akwan mu say na me ya. Ke wankoduru ba bia wadri. Eti ni nyina ye wisdom. You being a woman. Baby a pesa wuko bia. Ni a pesa oye bia. Apply wisdom. Eniema bi wo ho a ye di hu nkomo. Ahyase. Ebi wo ho a ye kaya no tum. Odu mfimfin a wotimi di hu nkomo. Ebi mpo wo ho a age wawie anse wetimi adi hu nkomo. Eti onu onim be ma oware no. Na onim nia ope. Na onim baby a oko. Eti before so be start journey no wa plan it. Then she also said, say, Okodru ano Ghana for ni bi suban bi. Yet it is stories. And even enye Dubai pe, even America and other places. Ye wo Ghana for ni bi ohomu akuma papa de ho bo ma. Ekwa ni even in Ghana. Ye we bi no ho a omo a they will not push. Oye wa dwe say push, they will try their best to pull you back. Also, when you are determined, you see all these things. When you been moved to anama, who's our science in our nipemu? 80, okay, say na me pese me ye, baby and person me dreamy. Me did me who cock butter Ghana for me who say, Maame. 80 any mamma me home, kakran from home, not like de-associate yourself from them, but oh, true, kakra, and yes, on your mayaka. But because you are focused, I to say uko race.
Me pacho so mame wadaro. Mame do for ye pese ye fa afrefo mienu na ye je omadwene kire. Eno nti hwe screen nanim na fa o telephone number. Telephone number na da o screen nanim. Free na fa wadwene kire. E brain sesia. Yes was.
Me da say I say wu tumrika. Now we have focus on cross a end line and a finish line. Na nkrofo bi wachi omo when you focus you instead of you to focus on finishing the race, you rather look back. Why not trim and those things?
And Maame, okay, what do you
Maame Serwaa, or a young lady, or your focus.
Focus, okay.
And near Metie and in your Mishi say, oh, Binomo are looking up to her. They are really on the right track.
Oh,
yeah. Okay. Why inspire me?
Wow.
Yes.
That's it. Na oka bibi also wajane kuno ewo Ghana akodi Dubai 3 years.
Yeah.
Onfa ne kuno echida. Na ojini kuno so de se ne kuno emfa ne chi. Me ba cho so mame wadaro. Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening, baby. I will free.
Happy free. But your friend me have friend and agree free. Indeed.
Okay.
You know, my friend asked him. Can't say that all on continent. We them here we. But dear mommy pay that. One. Let's bring idea.
Okay.
3 continue.
Okay.
And that is supposed to be my friend as a see me before.
Wow.
But me and probably I'm fire to a war move. And so I move to but young the nipa to any nipa.
Wow. Yeah, that.
Maybe no my friend I said no hair, but I won't see it. I got market aman.
Yamisha, that's a prophet baby. I want to interest see into no Wadaroma. Next time I know Jam baby kakra am I Yanko Ponsha pan wagenture. Yeah. Okay. It's no na send me says oh ba weja wukunu be ma wawaro. Weja no hakotena baby 3 years no so tia na wugini this won to me for wachida. Be ma no so gini this won to me for chida ne hon wagenture no mame 1 minute ehina.
Okay, so partners bia aware phobia aware omunimomo ho.
Okay.
Ansa no mo ware.
Okay.
Obema ne nim ne yere. Eye bema bi wo ho a so oye basabasa nka bra of friend ni ku ka che ne se
wo
Dubai ne nka ho na ware ne yende.
Oh, okay.
But ni kunu nim no.
Okay.
Ba se o ka se ni kunu wa ha. Ni kun fa na chi no. Well, omumie no and omunim how they communicate.
Okay.
Omunim how and see in you can obema beti na cheating on the hearing.
Okay.
Very more respecting the hearing. Knows how to go about doing things.
Wow.
I was telling someone yesterday, say a man can love 2 women.
You me pacho wadaro masum mame kakra. Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Hi, udini baby I will free me pacho. Yeah, brain it.
Pacho begin the marriage perfect as for.
Okay.
Pacho program kasa fam kakra.
I mean sure.
Sister no machina some miss many ajino pa.
Okay.
Na sadia me hu se kokku hono. Wa ye kokku hono mo wetu na se na dimo opeso okoye no. Etimi atu ayi adwuma no pepebere. Ese one for bi. One kase odi ne ho tuni pa. So odi ne ho tuni pa na so se de ni po de obi ye na wa ye bi. I think wa focus on your for you know why ya die na me stand with you.
Okay.
That
Okay. Yeah, me sure pa yeah that says me pacho.
Love 2 women.
Okay.
When you how to divide that love. A woman cannot love 2 women.
Okay.
So odo baako. Na foforo ba. Na ne dokose popro ni mu automatically. Dada ni be hu say we free mko.
Okay.
Eti omumie no them being together as husband and wife or banity be na be man so te has it. Se empo them and fan the the fact say there's communication, they are working together because see or say this kaba ma be man na bibia. They have a perfect marriage. They might
me bakra phones a wode ma me bre ni kunu no. Ebro 15.
Okay.
iPhone 17 Pro Max. Yeah. They
might have issues.
Okay.
But communicate so obema jiwe fire we obema na ye sadian. You being the woman, if you have this man, you will not go about looking for who he's dating and who is cheating on you, on her with, you know. I think their marriage is perfect. She should not start looking for what is not there.
Wow. Thank you.
Thank you.
So Maame.
Oh, my lady.
Yes, Odo.
It is what to a free Ghana has say. Now what to me, I got in Dubai says Edumana and obey yen. Na be man so te ha. Wo so adwenkyere any say.
Ghana for and you may ye kromu ya anka Maame Serwaa mi oye mi name o. Me nso me de Maame Serwaa sa. Se ye kromu ya me nya sure say ka Maame Serwaa obe free Ghana say okotena Dubai na waja ni kunu ho. Ye kromu nye.
Okay.
That is the reason why she took that decision.
Okay.
This is oba a opese oye bibi ema ne ho a ontwen bema. Now, na akoshe kase oh they have a perfect our bia anye perfect.
Okay.
Our bia ni wa perfect.
Okay.
Low key they might have their differences, but omunim how to handle their differences. Me assure say Maame Serwaa ato ni kunu nyasa wato ni pehwi but so obefa mpena say one ne mpena ne wo he so one ne mpena ne hye because eno ne niema a etwetwe yesan ni bi. Maame Serwaa is determined to make it. She is focused.
Nti wo ba na wati nkete say oni ni kunu ni entry street no Munchi street because she's making her life or making life ni bevia.
So ko Dubai no o Ghana no ye adwuma kama pa but with me anya hwe but okotena Dubai 3 years no wa ship cars 2 e dia befie we sit down baako awie within 3 years no as say was to second asase or sign a second.
It is not about the country Dubai.
Wow.
It is not about obeti America untiminto asase. It's not Germany, Italy, where all their lives or intimi anya hwe miss eyetire empaibo. Find a support because Maame Serwaa kwento na watu no our support system o na me di kan no oda ase no oda ne kuna busuafo ase da na fofo oda ne sofo denti na upon obia Maame Serwaa oda ne sofo ase
me so me da me papa Thomas
mo
my spiritual father I remember Florence Obini.
God bless you. God bless you. Because me no nyina we need support system. Wo kwa wo bai, wo sofo a wo bo ni din sesi ama Florence. Ebi a wa Achimota Forest. Erade hu me bai mobo, erade boa me bai yo. Obi ma ama me mpaye bia. Ebri bi atwam oboma no na e sustaining no. Obi kunu, obi yire ampaye bi na sustaining no. Enti mama wa agenya o Dubai aboa Maame Serwaa eniema bi ka ho wo yeti a enye Milo Cafe Lipton ne nkoa na yeti eniema bi ka ho na ma ne yeti
nyame nshira pa so of Maame meba now do number 2 dwa me pacho also final way whatever
say her sharing her story with us. And yes, yetie ni keke, na yehwe ni keke.
Yes.
And where and was encourage the youth, especially young ladies.
Okay.
Because they've been my dream, Dubai, they go there to sell their bodies.
Oh, okay.
I was so then the body no a copy. Or drew honor.
Wabre.
Saka up the easiest way out. Obet me yes and then no when Yanni was so young. But she decided to look